What's up, traders? It has been an absolutely wild day trading today. We have a lot of tariff news and a lot of things affecting the market, specifically with this trade war. So I'm going to break down the trades I took today, why I took them, how the market is being influenced, and of course, why Top One Futures is my favorite prop firm to trade with. I'm currently down on the day $700, but I am trading two 150K accounts straight to sim funded. Comes out to only be $400 after you use my discount code Thomas. Link in the description. And yeah, top one is definitely becoming one of the best new prop firms out there because of the ability to copy trade on Project X with straight to sim funded accounts. There is not another firm out there that's doing that. So, especially not with the reputation of Top One. They had a CFD company for over 2 years and paid out over $20 million. So, with that being said, let's get straight into the trade. I had three trades today, one long and two shorts. Basically, like two losses, one break even. I really didn't see the market well today. So I just ended up saying, hey, I'm done for the day. I'm cutting my losses. I'm not going to let myself bleed out to dry. This is the smart thing for me to do. I missed the trade. This was absolutely the trade of the day. I went over it on my live stream earlier today on Twitter, and this was called out and taken live on ASFX TV. So this is just a classic bounce off New York VWAP, like literally just a textbook trade. So disappointing that I missed that, and probably even a little bit of FOMO showing in that I ended up just jumping right back into this trade on the third bounce off New York VWAP. Ended up taking it off right here as I really inside I wanted to be short. I saw the shorts today. I thought they were going to play out, and just a side note, look at this. Nvidia is up 20% today. 20%. This is an optimal time to be adding to your portfolio before Nvidia is back at 150. So took that loss, then flipped short, got short on the original trade thesis I wanted to be in with a stop right there going for the double break of the opening range. If you guys don't know what the opening range is, check out some of my other YouTube videos and also some of my other Twitter videos because I have a lot of content on the opening range. Also, just a side note, if you do purchase an account with Top One, I am in there on their Top One Academy. So I teach the double break trade, which I did trade today and did play out. So technically, the double break trade wasn't winner today. It's been back in play more recently. So this was the trade short. This is technically how the trade should have looked, but I put too tight of a stop. I saw this wick and this level and was like, okay, am I willing to risk 65 points to make 40? No. But I was willing to risk 30 to make 40. I ended up taking a loss on this, and so now I'm down about $700-800 on the day. So now I see the initial balance broken. The initial balance is the first 1 hour of the day. And about 80% of the time, we break just one side. So after we broke the bottom side, I'm now thinking we're probably going to close bearish today. So I hopped in this short thinking, well, we are with a stop up here, thinking, hey, we just rallied lower, broke the initial bounce low, retesting New York VWAP. What a great opportunity to get short. Now, I end up sitting through this heat, take some heat on this position, then gets into profit, pulls back. And as it gets into profit again, I just decide I got to cut this trade. I'm not feeling it. Something's not right. The market is green and I'm trying to short it. Like that is not, I just couldn't see the longs today, but that doesn't mean I should be shorting it either. So ended up cutting it right here for a break-even trade, basically, as I kind of added in and stuff and just messed up this trade really bad. So cut it for break-even, down 700 on the day, decided I'm done and went off and took a break. Now, let's get to this craziness that happened. This is the biggest that I've ever traded in the stock market. 9%, 11% in one day. We went from the 4,000s to 5,500 today, basically. Yeah, 5,490. Crazy. And what this news is Trump decided he's going to pause the 90-day tariffs. He's going to pause the tariffs and he's going to implement a 125% tariff onto China. Basically, the whole goal of this is to make these companies or these countries who don't want to do trade with us, either they're forced to do trade or they're forced to do trade, or they're not going to do trade but have a really high, exchange rate. So this news was what the market was waiting for, and we have just absolutely pumped since then. It's been a really, really hectic, pretty crazy market out there. So I hope everyone is staying safe, staying defensive. If you're trading a small account, maybe it's not even best to be trading futures right now, because with the current position sizing, I can't trade my personal account. I don't feel comfortable with the risk that I'm able to even put on with one micro contract. So stay safe out there, and cheers, everybody. Have a great one.